Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows security not working in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. The first solution consists of two small steps. The first step is to check that Windows is up to date. To do this, you just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. Select Windows Update on left side. Select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it guys. After updating it, just close stuff here. The second step is to repair and reset Windows security. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows security. You just need to right click on it and select app settings. In here, you just need to scroll down, select the three dot icon next to the Windows security and select advanced options. You just need to scroll down and select repair option. After getting repair done, you just need to select reset option. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to reinstall Windows security using PowerShell. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to copy this command in my description. Just tap the bar, paste it, press enter. After finishing this command, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to repair Windows with CMD. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this three commands used in my video. You just need to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing these three commands, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. The fourth solution is to reset PC. We are going to format Windows, but our application and games and our files not be deleted guys. Only Windows itself will be reset guys. To do this, you just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side, select system. On right side, you just need to scroll down and select recovery. In under the recovery options, you can able to see the option reset this PC. Select reset PC. You just need to select keep my files. Select local reinstall. Select next and your computer will be reboot and reset guys. And after doing this, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.